The BMW Z4 is not just a car, it's a declaration. From the very first glance, the front tells you everything you need to know. The iconic kidney grille, bold and aggressive, is framed by sleek, adaptive LED headlamps that pierce forward like eyes locked on the horizon. Every line across its low, wide stance is pure artistry, athletic, sculpted, and aerodynamic, as though carved by the wind itself. The wheels are not just functional, they're a statement of power. Wide alloys gripping the road with unshakable confidence. The paint finish gleams like liquid metal, catching light with every angle, every curve, turning motion into a spectacle. And, as you walk to the rear, the design seals its promise. Taillights stretched with precision, a bold bumper, and dual exhausts that hint at the thrill waiting to be unleashed. Then, you step inside. The cabin is where luxury meets adrenaline. Low-slung sports seats hug you like they were designed just for you. Plush, supportive, and ready for high-speed curves or quiet escapes. The cockpit is pure driver's paradise. The dashboard wraps around with elegant simplicity, while the center display rises like a digital command center, sharp, responsive, and seamlessly intuitive. Every control falls perfectly under your hands. Steering wheel sculpted for grip, paddle shifters ready to ignite performance at your command. The finishes are premium, every texture carefully chosen, from brushed metal accents to soft-touch surfaces, surrounding you in understated luxury. And then, there's the open-air experience. Press a button, and the roof folds away, transforming every drive into pure freedom. When the engine roars to life, it's not just sound, it's a symphony of performance. Smooth, powerful, and precise, the Z4 is engineered to thrill, delivering the kind of drive that makes every road feel like a stage. The BMW Z4 isn't just transportation, it's transformation. Bold on the outside, indulgent on the inside, and alive with performance at its core. This is not about driving from place to place. It's about owning every second of the journey.